Hi, this is Awesome Designer and welcome to the demo video. Let me show you now what you will see when you open your browser and browse to your device address on port 8080. The device I mean here is the Raspberry Pi 2 running Windows 10 IoT Core. And let me show you how you can enlist the devices that are connected to your Raspberry Pi or already contained on your Raspberry Pi. First click on the node ACPI ARM-based PC, then open the subnode, then look for the USB host controller, and then for the USB root hub. So you will see this USB serial device after you have connected the Teensy to your Raspberry Pi. And if you click here on this little icon, you can see those device properties that I've mentioned in the blog post, the vendor ID and the device ID. Okay, now let me show you that the current app, the Azure IoT demo that you can download also from my blog, this sample code, is actually not installed on the machine. And you can do that by clicking on the apps node. Okay. Then let's see how the solution actually works, and maybe if we are lucky, debugging and everything will start immediately. And before we do that, let me show you that on my storage account there's no table temperature. So the code that is running on the RPI 2 will create a table and will start adding new table data. But it will create a table only if the table is not existing already on the storage account. Okay, then let's deploy the app. And in the meantime, on the right hand side you can see another machine that is connected to the Oxygen module, to the Oxygen board, and this is actually the source code. Okay, we have already hit the breakpoint, but this is actually the source code that drives the Oxygen board. Okay, and you can see here the data that is written from the temperature sensor to the serial port, and it arrives here on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, let's continue. And now we are already in a method that should create a table on Azure. If I hit on continue now, you can see that some assemblies are loaded here. It takes a little while, but it's working really good. Okay. Okay, you see we have hit the breakpoint again. Now let's remove this other breakpoint as well and let the app run. And if we go to the Storage Explorer now, and if I refresh the table node, you can see the new table temperature. And let's actually prove, let me give you the proof that it is really writing to the table. Let me open the table so that you can see the data. And now we have 22 entries here in this table. You can see the temperature, the location, a timestamp, and a row key. And the partition key is also the location. So let me refresh. And you can see we have already 27 entries here. Every 5 seconds an entry is written. 28 and so forth. Okay? You see the code is working perfectly. Yeah. So, thank you for reading the blog post and for watching the video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on Twitter as well, and to leave me some comments. Thank you very much.